Welcome to lesson 2. Today we're going to talk about present simple do. Do you remember what we use be and do for? Be is for jobs, ages, places, and descriptions. And do is for actions and feelings. So we say, I do eat. He does sleep. She does play. It does write. You do read. We do drive. They do drink. Also, you don't need to use do. You can say, I eat. He sleeps. See the S there. She plays. It writes. And for you and we and they, no S. You read. We drive. They drink. So the S is just for he and she and it. He sleeps. She plays. It writes. Now let's practice. I play football. I do or I does? I do play football, right? He eat or he eats? He and she and it, always you have S. So he eats. And you and we and they, do we have S? We love orange juice or we loves orange juice? We love orange juice. Now download the worksheet, download it so that you can do the practice exercises. Download them, the answers are on the worksheets, and we'll see you next time for nouns.